Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you the installation guide for our CAV manual lift-up basket series. Ensure the cabinet depth on both sides is over 300 mm, ensure the cabinet height is over 580 mm. Place the lift-up basket into the cabinet. Check that the distance from the left cabinet edge to the basket edge is more than 70.5 millimeters. Check that the distance from the right cabinet edge to the basket edge is more than 70.5 millimeters. After confirming the hole positions with the measuring tape, fix the basket to both sides of the cabinet with screws. Let's take a look at the final result.